Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Chelsea and today I'm going jet skiing. So I'm going with my friend Cassie, she's over from the States. Yeah, I'm excited, I've never been jet skiing before, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, and then this afternoon we have a free diving course which I think I'm going to put in a separate video. This is probably just going to be part of a random video. But yeah, I'm excited. It's in about an hour and a half, so we're just going to go and chill before there. There's a place called Huffy's, they do the jet ski tour, and they also have like a little beach area and a nice little dock that you can chill on. So yeah, we'll probably just hang out there until the time. Oh wow, I look disgusting. You look good. How red are my eyes? Oh, we just did jet skiing. It was actually really fun. It took me a while to get my confidence up with like going fast. But once I did, I got it like, I mean, I thought that the max was 65 because like it wasn't going up for a while, and then it went 66 and 67. So I don't know what the max is. I've got like a dirty lens. No, it was good. And then I did the, what do you call it, the donut. I was really stressed to turn when I was going fast, so it took a while for me to get used to turning going fast. It felt like it was going to flip over on the left side, but yeah, it was good. I finally went quick and we had fun. It went really quickly, but the sun cream was like melting off my eyes when we were on the bigger waves, and I was like already stressed about going fast on the big waves, so that didn't help that I also couldn't see them. But then we came back into the bay and it was like calm, and I preferred that. Yeah, we're just going to chill now and then have some baleadas for lunch. We are currently walking up to the chocolate factory. We did actually just walk up here, but the power was out, so they were closed. And we went back to my apartment, the power was working again, so now we take two, hopefully it's open. It is like just gone 3 though, so they'll be closing in like an hour. But I just want to go. I haven't actually ever been to the chocolate factory here. Apparently it's very small, not a lot to do, but apparently they have vegan ice cream, so I'll be happy if I can get some of that. The sign has gone, it's open! Yay! smells like a chocolate factory. Here's what we got. I got the banana ice cream because I'm so tempted by anything banana flavored that I couldn't help myself. This isn't the vegan one. I literally came here to try the vegan ice cream and ended up with banana, but oh well. And then Cassie got the brownie with what looks like chocolate ice cream. Yeah. Nice. To forget. Yeah. I'll try my banana ice cream. See how it is. Yeah, I like banana. Can I try some of the brownie? Mm-hmm. I don't want the ice cream though. And then the brownie. Yeah, that is a good brownie. I can taste nut in it though. Maybe it's not nut, but there's a hint of flavor that I don't enjoy. But that's a good texture brownie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. I mean, Cassie enjoys it. She likes nuts. I don't know if it is nuts, but
chunks in there.
I didn't get like a chunky thing. It's just like the flavor. It probably isn't nut, but I'm bad at figuring out what flavors things are.
So that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss future videos, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be more of my adventures in Utila. Bye!